So now let's understand the selection tool and use it in Adobe Fresco. So over here on the left side, you see this icon right here. This is the selection tool. So if I were to click and hold it, then what happens is that I have different type of selection tools which are here. The first one right here is the polygonal type of a selection tool. So what I can do is I can click in a spot, and you can see that that is how you create selection. You can also click and hold just like this to make a freehand shape just like this, and you can close it around right here. So once you want to close around the selection, you just keep on close lasso just like this, or you can cancel lasso to not to start over again. So I'm just going to close lasso right here, and you can see that the selection is here. So what I can do now is transform this out or erase this out. I even have mask and other options right here, which you'll see in further lessons. If I were to go over here onto transform, you can see that now I can move this part around of the selection anywhere I want, just like that. So I can move that around over here. If I don't want that, I can also go around and erase that part out, as you can see right here, just like that. So let me just go ahead and undo this out. And then the other option that I have, so let's say I don't want this selection tool anymore, I can simply press deselect right here. If I were to go on to the selection tool right here, now there's another option called load last selection. So let's say you want the selection back, you simply click on this and you get back the selection tool just like that. So there's other type of selection as well. So if you want to add on to this selection right here, simply go ahead and then just draw another selection on top of it, and you can see that the selection gets added just like that. I can also go over here and then use the paint selection right here. So just like I would paint something, you can see that I can just paint around with the selection tool right here. I can also go around and choose the size of the selection just like this, and that is how it works. The other type of selection is a square selection. So you want to make perfect square selections, this is how you do it. And if you want to go for circular selections, oval selection, this is how you do it. So you just go around and then click around and drag to make the selection just like that. But this is how you add the selection. If you want to subtract the selection, then you simply choose right now this is being chosen, that is, it is add to selection. But if you were to go on to this side right here, it's subtract. So if I were to draw something, you can see that it actually subtract the selection just like this. And you can select in the shape that you want, just like that. You can go around over here and then just say, for example, get this and draw around just like this, as you can see, and that is how selection actually works out. So I can go to the transform tool, move it around just like that, press done, and you can see that that is how it works like, just like that. So this is how you use selection tool inside of Adobe Fresco. And in the next lesson, we're going to see the various options that selection tool provides us with. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.